Hey guys, it's Adam here. So before I start the video, I just want you to know that this will only be working on iOS 14 users. Here I have the beta 7 running on my iPhone XS Max. So guys, today I will show you how to open YouTube in your background of your phone if you want to listen to some music, a book, or anything else. So first, you have to download an app called Notion. It's an application for taking notes. It's used a lot by students. You can see many reviews on YouTube on that app. It's also used on computer. So guys, after downloading the app, you can go to your browser, choose whatever video you want to play in the background, press on the search bar, and tap copy. Next, you have to go to Notion, tap on the app. You can see here there's a lot of categories you can add. So I tapped add a page, press here and paste. As you can see, there's some choices and we need to choose this option. So guys, then as you can see, the video is here. You need to play the video and press on this button, and then you need to exit Notion. And after that, you need to close the video, and now you can play the video in your background, even when you lock your phone. So basically guys, the video is now playing in Notion but not on your screen. That's all guys, please don't forget to like and maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you later.